Artoonza.
Mac laptop drawing for kids meets Apple iPhone art tutorial. Sounds serious, right? Well, not today, because we're about to roast these gadgets with glitter, nail polish, and color injections like they've never seen before. Forget boring tech reviews. This is the only MacBook and iPhone that sparkle, drip, and dance. And when the naughty vacuum shows up to clean the glitter mess, you'll laugh harder than your Wi-Fi crashing mid-game. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a laptop and phone so sweet, even Siri would say, "Oh, a shiny heart for you, because your art just made the screen smile."
So cute.
Give us your like. Our tiny vacuum is not naughty. It's glitter hungry. Nom nom nom. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Plop, plop. The Mac just got a bubble bath in light blue. Green drops falling like alien slime, but cuter. Red splash alert. Looks like ketchup attacked the iPhone. Orange drip party. Basically Fanta for your laptop screen. Brush, brush. The green is spreading like grass on a football field. Give us a big thumbs up. Red brush strokes, spicy salsa vibes, but zero chips included. Color, color, color. Blue brush sweep. The laptop thinks it's swimming in a pool. Orange brush strokes. Looks like the sun just clocked in for work. Don't be shy, color high. Apple iPhone drawing for kids? More like Apple iPhone disco party with color injections. This Apple iPhone just got a glitter upgrade. Now it's officially the iPhone Sparkle Pro Max. Bold black marker outlines, more like the iPhone's new eyeliner look, fierce and fabulous.
Aw, so cute.
A shiny heart on the laptop screen that whispers, "Oh," every time you look at it. Shiny sky blue polish. The iPhone just unlocked premium sparkle mode. It's sticky, it's shiny, it's adorable. Okay, fine, I love it. Shh, don't tell my mom. Glossy yellow flecks, brighter than your mom's kitchen sponge. Orange pen strike. Warning, this highlight is louder than your ringtone. Yellow drip and brush combo, sunshine literally sliding across the screen. This Mac laptop just got hacked by light blue, green, red, orange drops. This is basically a rainbow smoothie for your MacBook screen. Color injections, one tiny drop, maximum giggle dosage. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Smash that like button now. Pink splash finale. The MacBook just got a Valentine makeover.
Aw, so cute.
This MacBook just got a heart on its screen. Now it's officially in love with your art. It said, "I'm not just smart, I'm sparkly now." Is the MacBook's heart just glowing? Must be all the glitter, nail polish, and love you gave it. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.